The reason network operators prefer Cambium is primarily three things. The first that comes to my mind is the range that we offer. No other vendor offers the comprehensive range we now do, with point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and then the whole indoor Wi-Fi range. So we can take operators from indoor to outdoor, from 2 meters to above 200 kilometers. That's something we offer, and that's unparalleled. Nobody else offers that. The second is price performance. After all the study, they realized that in the total cost of ownership, Cambium stood out, and that actually we have an unparalleled price performance. The third thing that comes to my mind is that we are deeply committed to a partner network. And so we actually have a very comprehensive partner coverage that allows us to serve our customers with the whole end-to-end deployment, including the civil works that go with the deployment itself.